Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to design a geometric poster layout with custom shape. Start with white background and select custom shape tool, and also draw overlapping polygons and circles. Adjust scale and rotation for balance. Use complementary colors for contrast and apply gradient overlay to one main shape. Now add small text in modern sans serif fonts. Use layer mask to fade some shapes softly, and now apply drop shadow for realism. This abstract style is great for modern posters. Everything feels organized thanks to custom